Hi there and welcome to today's practice. In this video, I'm going to share with you a simple Qigong massage to help you release tension from the head, neck and shoulders. I use this massage whenever I experience a dry eye after working at a laptop or when I develop light headache, maybe traveling or some stress. So I find it very beneficial and I wanted to share with you, so hopefully you can use it whenever you need it. Go ahead and get ready and let's begin.
If you enjoy my YouTube videos and would like to support the channel, consider joining my membership site. You get access to 600 advertising-free videos, weekly live classes, monthly calendars, and a supportive worldwide Qigong community.
So we begin in a seated position. You can do it anywhere in your house or even outside to benefit from the fresh air. We're going to start by activating the hands. In traditional Chinese medicine, the eyes are considered the windows of the liver and gallbladder. So if you experience any vision related problems or dry eye or liquid, there's a lot of tears coming out, it can be an indication that your liver needs support. And it can actually get worse in spring because the liver is experiencing that overwhelming flow of energy and is sending it everywhere. So sometimes those symptoms can become stronger. So the first one is actually on the kidney meridian, but it's a fantastic point for releasing tension from the eyes. The second one at the beginning of the eyebrow. Whichever way is best for you, you're going to find the beginning of your eyebrow and you're going to press it firmly. I like to wiggle, kind of putting that pressure in. Don't be surprised, that is very sensitive and sometimes even painful if you're experiencing a lot of stress. About 36 times. It's a good number for acupressure massage. You can tilt your head forward to use the weight of the head as well. Good, good, good. From here, we're going to massage the entire eyebrow, letting your thumb rest on the temple. Firm pressure here. Feel free to keep your eyes closed. Already begin to rest your eyes. We do that 9 times. Very good. From here, placing the hands on the temples, we're moving backwards. Also 9 times. And last. Then make your hands into 10 dragons and we're going to run it behind the ear and down to the skull, targeting the area on each side of the head. This helps to redirect the energy that is often stuck in the head or excess amount of energy and send it downward. So pointing towards the neck, creating this down flow. Also 9 times, nice and firm. Good. And then once you finish, run your hands to your skull, but then leave the 2 thumbs to massage the area where the head connects the neck. These points are called Fen Qi, You can Google them and give a firm, solid pressure. They help to release headaches, tension, excess wind from the system, and regulate the flow of energy to and out the head. Good. With an open palm, massage your neck, squeezing out and massaging the muscles and tissues along the neck. Change hands. Just by squeezing and releasing. Very good. From here, the back of the shoulder. And the other side. Very good. And make your hands into a fork, and we're going to massage the ears front and back. This is good if you're experiencing tinnitus or ringing in your ear due to pressure, headaches, stress, mental stress. Do that 36 times. Very good. Now make your hands into knuckles, and we're going to release tension in the jaws by wiggling. Relax the bottom jaw and just let all those muscles wiggle and loosen. Good. Already feel better. And then we want to find the third eye point, the intan. And we're going to massage clockwise. Slowly applying pressure. Not too much, just enough to kind of feel the warmth and the pressure going in. Good. And you can change hands. Continue doing it clockwise. Very, very good. Relax. And then the last thing, we're going to rest the eyes by placing warm palms over the eyelids. You can actually lie down to experience a deeper relaxation. Warm hands right over the eyes. And see if you can feel that warmth going in. Let's focus on our breath as we sit still. Inhale in through the nose. Exhale out the nose. Very good. Slowly release. And open your eyes. Notice what changed. Just that attention to the body, attention to yourself, attention to your physical state will make a difference. Thank you for joining me. I hope you do feel better, and I'll see you in the next video.